Budget-friendly hotel sa Osaka na perfect for first-timers? Let's go! Located sa Shinsegai neighborhood ng Osaka, malapit sa subway at train stations for easy access to neighborhoods like Denden Town, Namba, Dotonbori at Shinsaibashi. 3 minutes walk lang to Tsutenkaku kung saan pwede ninyong makita ang Osaka from above. 3 minutes walk lang to Tennoji Zoo na perfect for kids and families. 3 minutes walk lang to Mega Donki kung saan pwede kayong mag-shopping for souvenirs at pasalubong buong araw. Bukod dito, marami ring convenience stores at kainan around the hotel kaya di kayo mauuhaw at magugutom dito. Ang pinakapanalo dito ay yung room rates dito starts at 5,000 plus pesos a night lang. Maluwag yung room, may kitchenette, washing machine, malinis na shower and toilet with bidet at may balcony pa with an amazing view of Tsutenkaku Tower. Kaya kung may Osaka trip kayo anytime soon, make sure to stay at Apartment Hotel 11 Tsutenkaku. Scan this QR code para makabook kayo gamit ang aming Klook Creator Shop na may iba't iba pang discounts sa hotel at activities in Japan and in other destinations. For more food and travel recommendations, make sure to follow us. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-eats. Until next time, bye-bye!